Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn about a Python program that is write a Python function to print even length of words in a given string. So given a string, so you have to print the even length words in that particular string. So let's do this using a Python function. So let's define a function that is print underscore even. So this is my function and it takes the data as a input argument, that is a string. So once we get the data, that is a string, so let's print something like a user friendly message, that is even length words are, let's give dot dot dot, and yeah, so let's iterate all the words from a data that is for word in. Let's convert this to a list of strings. Data dot split using a space. Now this is a list of strings. So we have converted the string to a list of strings, and we are taking individual words from it. So now what we have to do is check the length of that particular word. If the length is even, so then print it. So if length of word is let's try to divide it by 2, that is modulate it by 2, and check if it is 0, then it is a even length. So let's print the word, printing the that is word, and at the end, so let's give a space, end equals to, yeah, so this prints a string that is of even length words. So now let's take a variable in the main program, and here let's ask a user to enter a string, and yeah, so we will input the same to the function. So let's directly call the function, that is print underscore even, and pass the variable, that is text. Yeah, so this is a complete program to write a Python function to print the even length words in a string. So let me run this program, and let me show you how it works. So enter a string, that is sun rises in east. So this is my string, and you can see even length words are in the east. In east it has printed. So let me run it again. Before that, let me copy the same from here. So let's try to find the even lengths from this particular string. So you can see Python is a even length function, even to even length in string. So you can see this is a 2-character word, and this is the 6-character. Yeah, so this is a complete program to print the using the Python function, that is all the words containing a even length. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.